Hello everyone and welcome back to Algebra 1. Today we are going to get started on concept number 3, which is solving systems by using substitution. So previously we learned how to solve systems by graphing. We're moving on to using substitution. So when we are using this method, we are given information a little differently. For example, we have an equation which is x plus y equals negative 32. But we are given the value of y. So what we're going to be doing is substituting our variable y by the value that is given to us. It's going to look a little like this after we use substitution. So it's going to look like x plus 3x equals negative 32. What will we do next? We're going to simplify it. We have x plus 3x. Now, let's but there is always an invisible 1 in front of a variable. So that means 1x plus 3x is equal to 4x. So it's going to be 4x is equal to negative 32. What are we going to be doing next? Now this looks like a one-step equation, if you do remember way back when. So we're going to be dividing by 4 to be able to find a value for x. And 4 goes into 32 8 times. So our answer will be negative 8. Why negative? Because our 32 was negative and our 4 was positive. So our answer will be negative. Because when you multiply 4 times negative 8, you get negative 32. So we got our value for x. Continuing, our next step is going to be substituting now x in this equation, which was the value for y. Okay? So we're going to do just that. We're going to substitute y equals 3x. We're going to substitute the x with negative 8. So we're going to plug it in. And 3 times negative 8 is 24. Negative 24 because we're multiplying a positive and a negative. Therefore, our answer will be negative. So this is the value for okay, so we have our value for x, let's write it up here, negative 8, and we have our value for y, which is negative 24. Now, let's plug those in and check our answers. So what is that going to look like? Very well. That is going to look like this. We have y equals negative 24. And 8x equals negative 8. Our first equation is this one, meaning negative 24 equals 3x times negative 8. Which worked out means negative 24 is equal to negative 24. That tells us that this is correct. Right? Now, what was our other equation? Our other equation was x plus y is equal to negative 32. Now, let's substitute x for negative 8. Plus, we know negative 24 is equal to y is equal to negative 32. Now, negative 8 plus negative 24, negative 24 is 32. So it's going to be negative 32 because both of our numbers were negative, which makes this equation correct as well. Like how I checked my work? Let's move on into your assignment for today. Very well. Now for your assignment today, I want you guys to solve the system using substitution. So you're going to follow the same steps I took. Here you start off with a value to x, which is 4y. Go ahead and plug that in. 4x, do the math, simplify, follow the steps. If you have any questions or something seems too complicated, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope you all have a very wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, 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 very soon. Bye.